Hi everyone, welcome to Indian Cooking with Suganthi. After such a long time, I'm here face to face with you guys in my kitchen, cooking in front of you. Today actually, I'm not going to cook. I'm going to show you how to prepare a healthy drink, a traditional drink from southern part of India. Parambariya Unavu, Parambariya Banam, called Neeragaram. Neer means water, Aharam means food. So what it means is, this is a drink, but it's just like a full meal, and it's very healthy. So this Neeragaram, this is nothing but probiotic drink. So you don't have to spend a lot of money buying the probiotic pills. If you take this drink on a daily basis, you don't need to buy any probiotic pills. Your body will get all the good bacteria it needs to keep it healthy. It's called Neeragaram. Let me show you how to prepare this healthy drink. I have a collection of mud pots. This is a mud tumbler. It feels so cold as though it was kept in the fridge. Back in those days, farmers, when they go to the fields, they take their rice kanji for lunch in small mud pots, covering it with cloth. And noon time when they open it, the sun will be burning above them, but the kanji inside the mud pot will be nice and cool. That's the beauty of the mud pots. Mud pots. 50-60 years ago, things were very different in India. Not everyone had refrigerators in their houses. So people used to keep their drinking water in tall mud pots. And they would place the mud pot in a corner of their house on top of a sand platform. So the water inside will always be nice and cool. And even if the temperature outside the house is more than 100 degrees, your drinking water in the pot will be nice and cool. So all the forgotten ancient drinks and ancient food is coming back into our kitchen. People have become very health conscious, and they are trying to go back to the ancient ways of cooking, using ancient grains and cook them in the traditional ways. Traditionally, what they do is at night, after dinner, if there's any rice left over, my mom used to pour water in the rice and leave it outside. It won't go bad. This drink is very common in farming communities like Udumalaipetai. I did my 5th grade in Udumalaipetai, and whenever you go to somebody's house in Udumalaipetai, they'll serve you a nice cold cup of Neeragaram taken from a mud pot. It's so cool and refreshing. It actually cools down your body. I'm going to show you how to prepare the drink today. I need a day-old cooked rice soaking in water. Last night, I soaked 3 cups of cooked rice in water. All I need to make the Neeragaram: cooked rice soaking in water, and some yogurt, curry leaves, green chilies, that's optional, and cumin seeds, that's also optional, and ginger. I need rice, cooked rice, soaked in water. Okay. You can see it's been soaking since last night. Like I said, usually what they do is they make this Neeragaram using the leftover rice from the previous night. But today I just made the rice just to make the Neeragaram. So I'm going to pour this. And then I need some yogurt, tayar. So this is a homemade tayar. So I'm going to use some tayar. Some people use the tayar when they drink the Neeragaram. I'm adding the yogurt now. So actually it'll quickens the fermentation process, and it'll create more good bacteria faster. So I'm just going to mix it nicely. Okay, I'm just going to put some salt. I put salt when I make the rice. So I'm not going to put too much salt in this now. Okay. Just mix the yogurt nicely until it's completely dissolves in the rice water. Or what you can do is, you can make the yogurt into a buttermilk, dilute it, beat it nicely, and then pour it in the rice water. Either way, it's fine. And then I'm going to put some fresh ginger slices, fresh chili, green chilies you want. Just slit it like this. Just 1 or 2 should be sufficient, or you can even skip it, or if you want you can add more. It's according to your taste. And curry leaves, the most important thing, curry leaves. This gives an excellent flavor. Chop the curry leaves. Curry leaves are very healthy, so in order to eat the curry leaves also, I just cut it into tiny pieces so you can just drink it along with this, and it's not very hard to chew. And then cumin seeds. This is the way I make. Usually they don't put cumin seeds. Cumin seeds are optional. If you do not want to add, that's okay. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit more water. Even with your hand, you can nicely mash this so that the flavor of the curry leaf and the chilies, ginger, everything will get incorporated with the Neeragaram. Don't think because you put your hand, it's going to get spoiled. No, it won't get spoiled. You can keep it for a week. You can keep adding water as you drink, keep adding more water. One thing I would like to warn you guys is the mud pots. The mud pots made like 60-70 years ago are very different from the ones that you get here. The ones you have now, these mud pots have chemicals in it. Sometimes they even paint it. So you may not be able to keep the Neeragaram, the mud pot, for too many days. A couple of days you have to change it. Or you can just use not the mud pots, any other stainless steel pot would be even better. The unpredictable climate change these days, one day cold and one day hot, and also the mud pots available now, the way they make it now, all this could affect the life of the drink. So after a couple of days, check your drink to make sure if it's good to drink. And cover it and keep it in a nice cool place. Traditionally, they prepare this in a tall mud pots, and then they place it in a corner of a house on top of a sand platform. The sand actually maintains the chillness of the pot and the contents in it. So this is called the Neeragaram. It's very healthy. It's a probiotic drink. What is probiotic? Probiotics are nothing but good bacteria. Good bacteria are needed to maintain your good health and to fight diseases and protects your body from all kind of illness. You can easily call it probiotic is good health. This Neeragaram helps the body to produce a lot of good bacteria. The bad bacteria is sickness. Good bacteria helps the body, cleanse the body, keeps the body healthy. That's why nowadays everywhere you hear about probiotic, and they make all kinds of things, and they sell all different brands of probiotic pills. Why buy all that? Just make this. It's very easy and very healthy. Our ancient Indians, they knew the scientific reasons behind the way they prepare the drinks and the dishes and the spices they use for certain dish. They knew all the health benefits, and they know how to get the full benefits by preparing it the right way, the traditional way. So we will get the full benefits if we follow the ancient traditional ways. Like the idli, dosa, appam, the southern Indians have for breakfast every day. Those are nothing but probiotic dishes if prepared the traditional way, the ancient way. For idli, dosa, you have to soak the rice and the black gram, the urdu or ulundu, for 4-5 hours. and then you grind them, and then you let them fermentate overnight, or at least 8 hours, and then you cook them the next day. Then only you'll get the full probiotic effect. Nowadays, people started to use the instant dosa, instant idli, and instant appams. So these things are just for taste. They do not have any health benefits at all. So you have to prepare them the traditional way and let them fermentate. That's what produces good bacteria. Okay, now let's come back to our Neeragaram. This is the Neeragaram, the probiotic drink. Try to make it and keep drinking it, and pass the recipe to your friends. And just cover it and place it in a nice cool place. You can also leave it in the fridge if you want. I'm going to taste my Neeragaram. Usually it tastes better after a day, but I just couldn't wait. I'm going to taste it now. This Neeragaram goes very well with small onions, and some people even eat it with, drink it with green chilies. Farmers, when they go to the fields in the morning, instead of breakfast, they drink this. You can even eat the rice also, the Neeragaram, the drink, and the rice also. So that actually fills them up till midday. They don't drink just 1 cup. They drink about a medium jar of this Neeragaram. It's about 3 cups, 3-4 cups. So it's very healthy. That's why they call it Aharam, Neeragaram. It's like a meal. It's excellent. Excellent. It tastes so good. It's so refreshing. Please make this and drink it every day. Okay, friends, I hope you enjoyed today's show. I will be back soon with another video. Until then, take care and thank you for watching.